Okay, class, in this problem, we will be finding the domain. Domain is basically another name for the x value of the function given. So this is the function that was given when the range is 2, 3, and 5. So basically, the range is the y value or the f of x. Okay? So we are looking for the x given the y, basically, for each value, 2, 3, and 5. So what you must do is you must take each value, 2, 3, and 5 separately and plug it into this equation, okay, into the equation above. So so f of x is basically the y. It's the same thing as the y. So I'm taking each y value, which is given here on the range. So instead of f of x now, I put a 2 equals 3x plus 1. What I must do is solve for the x, okay? So I subtract 1 from both sides, and then I get 2 minus 1 is 3. Bring down the 3x. Then what I must do is divide by 3. Divide by 3. So that's my answer. This divides into 1. So my first x value, and I'll write it up here, my first x value is 1/3. Okay? Is 1/3, my first x value. Let me put a comma. I have 2 more values, so I must plug in the other 2 values. Okay? So I will be using a different color now. Let me use red. And I will basically recopy the equation again. Okay, and of course just copy the right side because you will be plugging in the y into the left side. So let me take the second value, 3, and plug it in where the y or where the f of x goes. So then what I must do is minus 1, minus 1. So 3 take away 1 is 2, and then bring down the 3x. Okay. Now, what I must do is divide by 3 on both sides, and there you go. That's my second answer. My second answer is 2/3. So I go back over here and write 2/3. Let me put a comma, and let me get the last answer. For this last answer, I will be using green. Okay? So now, for the last time, I will be using the same equation. So 3x plus 1, and then where the y goes, or the f of x, I will plug in the last value, which is 5. Okay? Again, I do minus 1, bring down the 3x, 5 take away 1 is 4. 4 equals 3x, divide both sides by 3. 4/3 is my last answer. So 4/3. So if when you do this in Schoology, this here will be your answer, okay? If you have any questions, please email me. Thank you so much. Oh, one more thing. Sometimes I just happen to get fractions for every single answer. Sometimes you will get beautiful whole numbers like 2, 3, and 4. So you won't always get fractions, okay? So if you have any additional questions, go ahead and email me. Thank you so much.